Hi Eric, I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Before we get started, I'm going to give you the fun fact of today. And today's fun fact is the world's largest reptile is a saltwater crocodile. Hopefully you can see the crocodile. So the saltwater crocodile is found in southern Asia and Australia in the Pacific Ocean. They can be around 13 to 18 feet long and weigh around 2,200 pounds, which is actually even more than a polar bear. So hopefully you learned something, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up your essay. Before I even get started, this is the best essay you've sent me. I'm really glad that you've done this. It's good work. It's detailed. There are plenty of examples. It answers the question. It's complete. I mean, it's actually, you've done a really good job, and you should be very proud of yourself. Unfortunately, I can't just talk about how good you did for the next 5 minutes, so we're just going to work on a couple of things. So the first thing is how to start a sentence and when to capitalize. So yeah, let's start with the sentence starting. So you've started a few sentences with and or. The thing is that and or are conjunctions, and what a conjunction is a part of speech that's used to join two words together. For instance, you can say, I like pie and cake, or you can say that you can ask, do you like cats or dogs? And that's great because it's joining two words together. The problem is that you're using it at the beginning of a sentence, and therefore there's nothing for that word to join together. The best way to start a sentence is with a noun, verb, some sort of transition word. So maybe keep that in mind for next week. The other thing is you have capitalization errors. I've corrected them in the first paragraph, so anywhere you see a bold purple letter, that used to be capitalized and it shouldn't have been. So the only things that get capitalized are the beginning of sentences or proper nouns. So autumn is a proper noun. Matthew, Eric, Brisa, Alex, those are proper nouns. The name of your school, the name of your state, the name of your city. As a general rule, everything in between is going to be lowercase. So just keep that in mind. You did a really good job. So yeah, just keep working. I look forward to your next essay, and I hope you enjoy your week. Bye.